Hey friends, if you encounter the error, the request failed due to a fatal device hardware error, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is a checkdisk scan. So, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command chkdsk space forward slash r space forward slash f and hit enter. Press Y and hit enter once again. The next solution is to update drivers. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab, click on Advanced option, Optional updates and install the optional updates. Return to the Windows Update page and click on Check for updates. The last solution is a malware scan. Search for MRT in the Windows search bar and then click on MRT or the malware removal tool. Click on Next, choose Full Scan, Next and then let it run through. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.